Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is convince. It's a B1 level verb that means to persuade someone to do something or believe something. So, what does it really mean to convince someone? It's about using your words, your logic, or your charm to make someone see your point of view and hopefully agree with you or take a specific action. Think about it. Every day we try to convince others of something, whether it's something small, like convincing your friend to see a particular movie, or something big, like convincing your boss to give you a raise. Now, let's look at some synonyms. A great synonym for convince is persuade. Persuade is very similar in meaning. It also means to cause someone to do something through reasoning or argument. For example, she persuaded him to go to the doctor. Another synonym is influence. To influence someone means to affect their thoughts or actions. His speech influenced many people to change their minds. Another word with a similar meaning is sway. To sway someone is to cause them to change their opinion or decision. The evidence swayed the jury to find him not guilty. And another synonym is induce. To induce someone to do something means to persuade them to do it, often with a promise or incentive. They induced her to sign the contract with a large bonus. Now, let's explore antonyms, words with opposite meanings. One antonym for convince is dissuade. To dissuade someone means to persuade them not to do something. For example, I tried to dissuade him from quitting his job. Another antonym is deter. To deter someone means to discourage them from doing something, often through fear or doubt. The high price of gas deterred many people from driving long distances. Another opposite word is discourage. To discourage someone means to make them feel less enthusiastic about doing something. The bad weather discouraged them from going for a picnic. We can also use the word prevent, which means to stop someone from doing something. The police prevented him from entering the building. Another antonym is hinder, meaning to create difficulties for someone or something, resulting in delay or obstruction. Lack of funding hindered the project's progress. So, how can you use convince in everyday life? Well, think about sales pitches, where someone is trying to convince you to buy a product. Or consider political debates, where candidates try to convince voters to support them. Even in your personal life, you might try to convince your family to try a new restaurant. Let's look at some usage examples. I couldn't convince him to change his mind. She finally convinced her parents to let her go to the party. The lawyer tried to convince the jury of his client's innocence. He used a lot of arguments to convince me that he was right. It took a lot of effort to convince them to invest in our company. Here are some phrases containing convince. He needs to convince himself that he can do it. Are you trying to convince me of something? I'm not easily convinced. It's difficult to convince him otherwise. You'll have to convince her first. So, to recap, convince means to persuade someone to do or believe something. We looked at synonyms like persuade, influence, sway, and induce, and antonyms like dissuade, deter, discourage, prevent, and hinder. We also explored how convince is used in everyday life and looked at some example sentences and phrases. That brings us to the end of today's episode. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show, and we really appreciate it. Now, here's your challenge for today. Create your own sentence using the word convince and share it in the comment section below this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!